Welcome back to another video. This week's video is going to consist of the lovely makeup artist to my right.
I'm not a makeup artist.
She's not a makeup artist, but she's been wanting to do this for years. What better time to do it than now? What kind of look are we going for?
I can't say.
Like an everyday look or?
No, like a glam.
Oh.
I'm gonna prime your face first.
I'm not the biggest fan of feeling stuff on my skin. Like even with lotion sometimes I'm like.
I smacked your face. So we're gonna use this. It's green. Do you know what it's for?
Why are you putting green on my face?
Because green cancels out red.
Oh.
I mean, it looks green, but it won't, like, once you put the foundation over. You know what this is, right?
That's it's foundation.
Yeah, let me see.
What are you doing right now? You're blending or?
Yeah.
Or are you beating me up? Is that what the term? Why did you get on my lip? I don't like this feeling. Where are my lips? Beat me up, sis. Why do I look like this? I look like Chucky's kid.
You know what this is?
Concealer.
Wow. I'm not doing it hard, am I?
There's some Mexican guy that does makeup.
Louis. I love Louis.
Is it the guy that he bought his dad a pickup truck?
Yeah, Louis.
Yeah, I watched.
I love watching Louis. He's fucking funny as fuck.
Yeah, a lot of the makeup people are really funny. But my favorite one has to be Bretman Rock. Why did he do that?
I don't know.
And he said, bitch.
Look up. Look up. Look up. Look up. Up, up, up.
Oh, I don't like that part. You're like in my fucking eye, man.
Yes, you have to. Up. Hurts.
Period.
Don't go like this because every time you're like creasing the makeup.
Like creasing my jaw dents?
Yes. Look down.
Look at the camera and do it. Look how you you're like
look.
You try keeping your eye open and then
Let me try this. You look ugly.
Why am I gonna look ugly?
Because you're not cooperating.
So I'm gonna be ugly because
yeah,
of that?
because the makeup's not gonna go.
What the fuck? A bad bitch can only get badder.
Oh fuck. We'll see. Look, you see this keeps like creasing here. And when you put the eyeshadow.
The eyeshadow?
Dang, you look good.
I look like if they did a wax figure of me. Fuck. Why is this so foggy in here? What does bronzer do?
It'll make you look tan. Ready? Try this.
How?
And it's gonna make your forehead look shorter. Smaller.
You put this all the time and
Look straight, like you're pushing your head back. No, come on. You look good. Why do you look good?
but we're not done. We're only getting started.
Yeah. So now we're gonna do your eyeshadow.
Can I pick the color?
Yes.
Well, my favorite color is green.
You want green?
And my eyes are green. Looks like you've never touched this palette ever.
I've never touched it. Because I'm too scared to use these kind of colors.
Why? Be confident, girl. Do what you want.
In the summer, yeah. Okay. So
pop off.
this green? Can I give you
Is that the Bretman Rock palette?
This one?
How could we not shout out Bretman Rock? I'm also a coconut water connoisseur. And without turtles, there wouldn't be any turtles. Oh my goodness.
So we're gonna use
Boom.
this Jaclyn Hill palette.
Boom. Shout out Jaclyn Hill. Non-sponsor, send me some shit. When you go to Morphe, tell the cashier Lil CC sent you. And they'll give you 10% off.
So we're gonna use these kiss lashes.
What? Nah! I'm about to fly away with these lashes. Like when we go to the hood Walmart, motherfuckers got the lashes like this long. That's how I would look.
These actually fit you good. I just need to put mascara so we can look up. I'm gonna go like right here. Look up.
Look up, look up, look. I'm a fucking
look up.
CEO. Look up.
Look up.
Why is this side more tan than this side?
That's supposed to be, your cheeks are supposed to be tan, not your whole face.
Oh, I was like, I look like oh my god, that fucking lady that pissed me off when we were driving. If I was like this, I would have beat her ass. Why does my eyelash start here on this one and this one right here?
Because you keep moving.
I can't go to prom like this.
Batman's highlighting palette. Which one do you like? The Chee-hoo! Close your eyes.
What is this?
Setting spray.
Is it the Jeffree Star one?
Yes. You should be glad I'm using this on you. I don't use this on myself. I wish I had a sister.
Hi, sisters.
And I wish you had a sister.
I don't have a sister. Oh my fucking god. That's it. That's it.
Why do you look like you're like enjoying this?
I'm not enjoying it, but
Yeah, you are.
I know you're having a good time.
On your nose.
I know you wanted to do my makeup for a while. I'm not the type of guy to be like, I don't want to do that. Are we almost done?
Yeah, this is the last part.
Where's my fucking highlight at?
You don't see it?
Oh, fuck. Yeah, I don't like this shit.
Go ahead, just.
Is this that bullshit you put that one time she put like lip plump shit and it was burning? This is it. Wow, so this is my makeup. This is an everyday look. I hope you enjoyed it. This is not done yet. We have a wig that we are going to put on. We have to complete the look.
Like that's covering it. Turn.
Why are you doing my hair the way you do your hair? Do my edges, yeah? I look like the Mexican girls when they dress up as Hannah Montana. This is the final look. Are you happy with this? My fucking Adam's apple kind of kills it. What up?
Yeah, do that. Oh my god.
I'm gonna go ahead and FaceTime my mom. She wanted a girl. She didn't get a girl, unfortunately. She ended up with 4 boys that act like us, but I'm gonna go ahead and call her and see what the fuck she thinks about this.
Okay.
What are you gonna show me?
So I did my friend's makeup.
Oh god. Oh god. Oh my god.
Here's the daughter that you wanted. You look like twins. You and her.
Me and her!
Thank God I didn't have no daughter. Thank you, Jesus. Maybe with maybe a brunette.
You wanna talk about mothers? Okay.
Hello.
What video are you on?
Look.
What's up, shorty? How do you feel? What do you think?
I think you look good. I think it came out like.
I think the hair needed to change though. I look like the. This looks like the guy that says Carol Baskin. All right, we're getting carried away. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you liked the look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Yeah, see you next week.